time to put tailpipes back into the Cobra. Let's get it. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris Rod here, and today what we're going to be doing is quite simple. We're going to be putting tailpipes finally on to our SN95 Cobra. Now, if you guys seen this car in this channel, if you've seen me do a whole bunch of exhaust work to it, you're probably thinking to yourself, dude, you spend way too much money, and you're absolutely right. I did. But with the amount of money that I spent relatively on the exhaust, I still don't have a long tubes or shorties, so that's going to be way later. But I think what I have right now for the tailpipes is just enough to dial in my exhaust finally to where I like it for my car. And as far as what tailpipes I went with, let's go ahead and dig right into the box and see what we got.
Man.
What we got here is basically two separately sold tailpipes for our Mustang Cobra today, and basically I ended up getting these at Classic Industries, and I believe one of the pipes, and yes, they're sold separately, one of the pipes were around 150 and the other pipe was pretty much like 180. I don't know why the big difference with the actual piping, but maybe there's something that I guess I clearly don't know. But these particular pipes are actually made by Dynamax. So if I'm not mistaken, they have some kind of affiliation with Flowmaster. I could be entirely wrong on that, but you can't even find these on Dynamax's site anymore. So I had to kind of dig deep to find these, and luckily Classic Industries had the hookup. But enough talk about the tailpipes. Let's actually get ready to put these bad boys inside the car, and we're gonna see if it has a different tone by the end of all this. So there really isn't much to it when it comes to putting these tailpipes on here. We got our Flowmaster, you know, our dumps. 1, 2, take the clamps out, take the little dump pieces off, and then over here in the back we have our hangers, you know, the isolators for the hangers, and that's pretty much it. We got one of those, another one right over here, and then all this stuff just goes right on like a puzzle piece, and let's just get to it, man. There might be an easier way to do this, but I got an idea. So what the plan right now is to remove both wheels. That way I'm able to actually kind of maneuver both tailpipes through the axle and all that stuff under there, and not have to worry about cutting anything and all that good stuff. So we're gonna give it a try and then see if it works. So clearly, we still have no tailpipes. Yeah. Turns out there's something that I have to do in particular. I think I need to lift the car from the body and not from the actual axle like I have with the race ramps. And I don't think this is going to work out because it's just that minimal bit of space that I need to just maneuver the tailpipes right in. So it obviously it's getting dark. We're going to put this up another day. I'll get back to this. So here's another day with the video as far as doing these tailpipes. It's the other day, it's been about a week. I haven't touched this car in about a solid week. It snowed, it's getting colder, and let me just show you guys like what we're doing here. So here's just the idea. We have jack on the pinch wheel down there, jack on the pinch wheel on this side, and we're just gonna lift the car up, obviously, but from the body of the car. That way the separation from the axle, or at least the wheel, with the whole body of the car can have more space. That's literally what I need. That's pretty much it. I know exactly what you're thinking now. You know, is this really smart? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, man. My answer to this, maybe, this could potentially work, I think. It is way too cold for this. Jeez, dude. Hold on. This is way too cold. Much better, you know, it's cold out here, man. Jeez, we look a little bit that way. Gotta lift that up more. So here's our setup as of right now, and honestly, you best believe, you know, I don't want this to be too sketch. We got some jack stands, you know, kind of ready over there, right under the frame of the car. You know, this thing, it's okay. So we're gonna continue how we got right now. So let's put some tailpipes on, man. So attempt number 1, we're gonna just kind of wing this, see how it goes, honestly. So same rules apply. Let's see what we got. We have more space here, brother. We have a lot more space now. This is gonna go like right there. Guys, it's already over. It's over. I just gotta put it on the hanger. Dude, let's get the other one. Nice. Right under. Oh yes, sir. Guys, this is going great. It's going great. I gotta make sure I put my clamps back on the Outlaws. Cause obviously since I had to move the car, I took them out. Clamps, gotta put them back on. I should be ready to put this in the hanger and get this in. Let's do it, bro. Here's how I'm looking right now. Nothing's really tightened up yet, but I do have to go back to the Outlaws on the mid-pipe section, unbolt them, and then kind of wiggle everything around to make sure it all fits nicely. So I'm gonna do that, and then we should be ready to fire this thing right up. So, Operation Tailpipes is a no-go. Let me just tell you guys why. So basically, when it comes to the dumps, the Flowmaster Outlaw dumps that I have already on the car, when they go from the mid-pipe and straight towards the back of the car, the muffler itself kind of goes on an angle. So I'm unable to align the tailpipe with the muffler. So I don't know how to explain it, but let me show you guys a small snippet. So in other words, let's pretend this right here, we got my X-pipe. Here is a Flowmaster Outlaws, and they kind of come out, but they both do this Y movement, and then dumps right before the axle itself. So that's basis of the actual, you know, setup that I got. And because of this angle that it does, that's why I'm unable to put the tailpipes myself. I don't have the extra equipment or tools necessary to maybe chop up and do some stuff, and I don't have it. So I don't know what's next, honestly. Son of a bitch. But with all that being said, if you guys find this video enjoyable and are helpful still in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the club by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring the notification bell. Until then, it's my boy Chris Rod, and see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace. Pero no la maltrate, no es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para la nube. Deja que ella